social factors. So first is developmental influences on learning. Mr. Ed, can you please read the developmental influences on learning?
As an individual develop, there are different opportunities and constraints for learning. Learning is most effective with differential development within and across physical, intellectual, emotional, and social domain is taken into account.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ed. So, developmental influences on learning is mao ni ang mga impluwensya nga nakaapekto sa atong learnings. So, of course, kita as an individual na atay lain-lain no opportunity para kita maka-learn, whether it is through physical, emotional, or intellectually. Then, social influences on learning. Mr. Bokod, can you please read?
Social influences in learning. Learning is influenced by social interactions, interpersonal relation, and communication with others.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bokod. So, social influences on learning from the word social. So, ang naa sa atong palibot. Mao ni ang mga impluwensya nga kanang makaapekto sa atong learning. So, whether it is from your family, friends, or peers. Diba? Kay kung unsay atong nakita or unsay atong na-observe is mao sa mga atong ma-acquire. For example, ang bata, tudloan nimo, unya og binuang imong itudlo, di ba binuang sa pag-iyang makatunan. So kita as a teacher, as a future teacher, so dapat tudloan nato og tinarong ang mga bata para tinarong sa pag-ilang makatunan. So individual differences factors. Ms. Marites, can you please read?
Number 12, individual differences in learning. Learners have different strategies, approaches, and capabilities for learning that are functions of prior experience and learning.
Please, can you please elaborate?
So, ang learners, na sila different strategies or approaches for them to learn na, di ba, ang ibang learners is na slow learners, na mga fast learners. So, as a teacher, dapat i-consider nato na atong mga learners is inay nga nga different approaches kung saan nila mag-learn.
So, correct no? So, thank you, Ms. Marites. So, ang individual differences on learning. So, mali from the word differences, na atay lain na way para kita maka-learn. Well, naay mga students nga through visual learners, naay mga auditory learners, o naapoy kinesthetic learners. So, ang kaning kinesthetic learners is, mas maka-learn sila through hands-on or interaction. Diha na way, mas maka-learn sila. So, naapoy mga visual, kanang ilang makita or kanang ilang masuwat. Then, nasa auditory kanang through hearing, mas maka-learn sila in ana. So, learning and diversity. Ms. Bernaldez, can you please read?
Learning is most effective when differences in learners' linguistic, cultural, and social backgrounds are taken into account.
So, thank you, Ms. Bernaldez. So, learning parties, for example, in one classroom, naay ka ng mga international students. Of course, di ba, lain-lain din na sila mga languages, lain-lain of culture, and social background. So, each student brings a unique perspective, and by that, if they're going to share their knowledge sa something in the class,
Maka-learn sila.
it will allow them to learn kung unsay dagan sa ilahang pamatasan or society or governance sa ilang country. Through that, makagain taong knowledge na ay inani ba na sila sa ilaha, inani ang ilang way, or mas effective ang learning sa isang kabata kung i-consider ang ilahang different languages and cultures. Then, standards and assessment. Ms. Dumangas, can you please read standards and assessment?
Setting appropriately high and challenging standards and assessing the learner as well as learning process. So, diri ang good na part is about the consultations of the teachers and the feedbacks of the students. So dapat, in order for you to have the standards or kanang na-meet with ang expectations, dapat na mag-provide ka og mga assessments so para mahibaw-an nimo if that para bitang imong ipang-discuss or kanang na-learn nila is accountable ba sila or magamit nila sa for future
Yes, precisely. So thank you, Ms. Dumangas. So standards and assessment.